How to upload files to Google Drive and share the link. Well, it's relatively simple to do this because you can either use the Google Drive app if you're using it on a mobile phone, but if you're using on your browser, you could also just go to drive.google.com and log into your Google account. Now, to upload it, all you have to do is just click on this new option from the top left and we will select file upload. If it is a folder full of pictures, you can select a folder or you can just go to file upload. Now simply choose that particular file that maybe you would like to add right here, right? So once you've added a certain photo, you can see it is uploading one particular item as you can see here. Once you've done this, you can click on the show file location option to view it on your file location. And since we want to share this by using a link, we can just click on this all these options right here. You can click on this share option. Now, sometimes it could be restricted, right? General access is restricted, but you can set this to anyone with the link. When you set this to anyone with the link and then you copy the new link and then you give this link to someone, they'll be able to access this file as long as they have the link. If you set this to restricted, only the Google accounts that you add manually will be able to go ahead and then find this. Otherwise, everyone will be able to find it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and as always, see you in the next video.